Good morning, dear students. I, Professor Basavaraj Koluche, welcome you all for today's lecture of Marketing Management. This is module number 2, video number 2. Module number 3, video number 2. In previous class, we have seen the simple meaning of consumer behavior. Consumer behavior or buyer behavior is, say, in simple terms, it is about the study of how individual customer or group or organizations behave while selecting a product or purchasing a product. Today we shall see the definition of buying or consumer behavior or buyer behavior. Consumer behavior or buyer behavior is defined as the behavior that consumers display in searching for, purchasing, using, evaluating and disposing of product and services that they accept will satisfy their needs. Or consumer behavior focuses on how individuals make decision to spend their available resources, that is time, money and efforts, on consumption. So various authors have defined the consumer behavior in their ways. The simplest one we can say is according to Angel, Blackwell and Mansard. They are trying to tell consumer behavior as consumer behavior is the action and decision process of people who purchase goods and services for personal consumption. Here, as per this definition, it is a process or a decision making process of people who purchase goods and services for their personal consumption. So, this process of buying behavior involves the various things like what they buy, why they buy, when they buy, or where they buy, how often they buy, or how they evaluate it after the purchases, or their satisfaction level from that purchases. So, as individuals, we all differ in many ways in likes, dislikes, attitude, culture, background, income level, or the various other attributes which will make us to behave in this regards while purchasing. So, buying behavior is the process of selecting or how we behave while purchasing a product, or say how we behave in the present scenario while purchasing or while selecting a product. So overall we can say that the way we react while purchasing our regular food, clothing, shelter, transportation, education, equipment, necessities, luxuries, the various services and even ideas, as a consumer we all play an important role in the overall health of the economy. The buying decision we can make will affect the demand for basic raw materials, for transportation, for production, for banking, etc. They also affect the employment of the workers and the employment of resources. So, the success of some industries and the failure of other industries. So, in order to succeed in any business in today's competitive market, marketers have to know everything they can about the customers. They must know what the buyers want, what the buyers think, how they work, how they spend, their way of spending time and money. They need to also understand the personal and group influence that affect consumer decision and how These decisions can make or decide the spending of a consumer. Many times the group effects will be there. Suppose in one class, if a boy has purchased a new t-shirt of a new design, it may attract the other students also. So similarly here, the way an individual behaves will make an impact. So in this simple definition, according to Angel Blackwell and Mansard, they say that consumer behavior is the action and decision process of people who purchase goods and services for personal consumption. So a 2 marks question may be coming for your examination, say regarding, or it will ask for 2 marks, what do you mean by consumer behavior or buying behavior, or define buying behavior or consumers behavior. So at that point of time, this definition you all can write. So here we shall stop. Tomorrow we shall see some other concepts of consumer behavior. Thank you. Good day.